Hey folks, it's Claim Daddy here. If you're thinking about becoming a freelance, independent property insurance claims adjuster like me, there are two ways to make $250,000 a year, and if you don't know them, well, you're dumb. But before we dive in, if you find this video valuable, smash that subscribe button below. It's the best way to support the channel and to make sure that you're gonna get more free content as soon as it's made. Also, check out the video description for links and updates. We drop important info down there, so you don't wanna miss it. This career took me from being a broke bartender to the breadwinner of my family, landing me in the top 5% of income earners in the United States. So what exactly does an independent adjuster do? When insurance companies are overwhelmed and can't handle their workload with their salaried staff, they call in folks like me through independent adjusting firms, or otherwise known as IA firms. Now, on to the good stuff. How we make money. There are two main ways: catastrophe claims and daily claims. Number one, catastrophe claims. This involves being on call to travel to different parts of the country whenever natural disasters strike. Think of hurricanes, tornadoes, and major hailstorms. You could find yourself in Bangor, Maine for a winter storm, or in San Diego, California for a tropical storm. I've handled thousands of these claims, and if you want to learn more about what that's like, check out the rest of our channel for some more detailed insights. Number two are called daily claims. These are the everyday claims that aren't tied to any major weather event. They could be due to smaller incidents like wind damage, fires caused by electrical malfunctions, water leaks from failed water heaters, or even theft inside of a vacant property. These claims happen all around us, providing more consistent and predictable work. So, which one makes more money? Both of them have their pros and cons. Catastrophe work can bring in up to $500,000 or more in a good year with multiple large-scale events, but might only net you $100K in a quieter year. Factor in the travel costs and you might end up making $500K over 2 years. On the other hand, daily claims might consistently bring in $250K annually, which also means about $500K over 2 years. The key takeaways here is to not stress about choosing between catastrophe or daily claims. Instead, focus on proving that you know how to do the job right. Getting a license in software training is just the beginning. You need to show these IA firms that you have the skills and reliability to handle the work effectively. Many newcomers think that they can just jump right in after getting licensed, but most end up just having to wait for a big catastrophe event to get their foot in the door, and unfortunately, most of them just don't make it. To learn more about being an independent claims adjuster like Claim Daddy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and explore the rest of our channel for a ton of free content. And don't forget to check the description below this video for even more resources and tips on how to get started in the field.